Imagine walking through your garden and discovering that many of the plants growing around you are not only delicious, but also outstanding sources of plant-based protein. Some of these crops contain such impressive amounts of protein that they compare surprisingly well with foods commonly associated with animal products. Even more remarkable is the fact that many of them produce generous harvests with relatively little maintenance, providing nutritious food season after season without frequent trips to the grocery store or complicated processing. Despite their incredible nutritional value, these plants are often overlooked by home gardeners. Let's explore some of the best high-protein crops you can grow yourself. 1. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are one of the most dependable crops for gardeners who appreciate reliable harvest without demanding constant maintenance. Rather than growing rapidly like many leafy vegetables, chickpeas spend the early part of the season establishing a strong and extensive root system before gradually producing compact, bushy plants above the soil. Their tidy growth habit makes them easy to manage because they remain upright and do not spread aggressively into neighboring beds. Originally adapted to dry climates, chickpeas naturally tolerate drought much better than many common vegetables once they become established. In fact, excessive watering often creates more problems than temporary dryness by increasing the risk of disease and reducing overall productivity. They perform best in well-drained soil with moderate watering, abundant sunshine, and stable growing conditions. As the plants mature, they produce small white or pale pink flowers that are soon replaced by pods containing 1 or 2 seeds each. Although individual pods contain only a few chickpeas, every plant develops many pods, creating a satisfying harvest by the end of the season. Harvest timing determines how the crop can be enjoyed. Young green chickpeas are tender, mildly sweet, and delicious when eaten fresh, while fully mature seeds naturally dry inside the pods and become excellent for long-term storage. Once dried, chickpeas become one of the most versatile foods a gardener can produce, serving as ingredients for soups, stews, roasted snacks, flour, spreads such as hummus, and countless traditional dishes from around the world. Nutritionally, they provide an excellent combination of protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals that help support balanced nutrition and long-lasting energy. Their benefits continue even after harvest because, like other legumes, chickpeas enrich the soil by forming partnerships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that capture atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into nutrients available for future crops. As a result, chickpeas not only provide dependable food, but also improve soil fertility, making them a valuable addition to healthy crop rotation systems. 2. Soybeans. Soybeans have become one of the world's most important protein crops because they combine exceptional nutritional value with remarkable versatility. Containing approximately 36 to 40% protein by weight, soybeans rank among the richest plant-based protein sources available, placing them in a category few crops can rival. Their popularity, however, extends far beyond protein alone. Few garden plants can be transformed into such a wide variety of nutritious foods. In the garden, soybean plants grow as sturdy, upright bushes with strong stems that rarely require support, unlike climbing beans that depend on trellises or poles. As the plants mature, clusters of fuzzy pods develop along the stems, each containing several protein-rich beans. Harvest timing offers different culinary possibilities. Young pods are harvested as tender green edamame, while fully mature beans can be dried and stored for extended periods without losing their nutritional value. Soybeans thrive in warm weather and establish rapidly once planted into properly warmed soil. Full sun, well-drained soil, moderate watering, and consistently warm temperatures provide the ideal conditions for vigorous growth and abundant pod production. Despite their impressive productivity, soybeans remain relatively easy to cultivate and require only basic care throughout the growing season. Like all legumes, they also improve soil quality by working with beneficial bacteria that naturally fix atmospheric nitrogen, enriching the ground and benefiting future crops planted in the same location. After harvest, soybeans become incredibly versatile, serving as the foundation for soy milk, tofu, flour, fermented foods, cooked beans, and countless protein-rich ingredients used in recipes worldwide. In addition to their remarkable protein content, they also provide healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals, making them one of the most nutritionally complete crops a gardener can grow. Planting after the final frost and ensuring good drainage throughout the season helps maximize both plant health and final yields, allowing soybeans to become a dependable long-term food source with exceptional nutritional value. 3. Lupin beans. Lupin beans remain one of the least appreciated high-protein crops available to home gardeners, despite offering an impressive combination of outstanding nutrition, environmental benefits, and ornamental beauty. With protein levels approaching 40%, lupins rank among the richest plant-based foods known, yet their value extends far beyond their nutritional profile. These resilient plants adapt well to a wide range of growing conditions and often perform successfully where many other crops struggle. They are also among the most attractive edible plants in the garden, producing tall flower spikes in brilliant shades of blue, purple, pink, and white that attract pollinators while adding striking visual appeal. After flowering, pods begin forming along the stems, gradually filling with seeds rich in protein, dietary fiber, and valuable nutrients. Like other legumes, lupins naturally improve soil fertility by working together with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms plants can readily absorb. This process steadily enriches the soil, making lupins particularly valuable for gardens with poor or depleted ground. Their deep root systems also allow them to tolerate cooler weather and periods of drought by reaching moisture stored below the soil surface, helping maintain healthy growth even during changing environmental conditions. Although they require very little fertilizer or maintenance, gardeners should remember one important step before eating the beans. Raw lupin seeds naturally contain bitter alkaloids that must be removed through proper soaking and repeated rinsing over several days. Once prepared correctly, the beans develop a pleasant, slightly nutty flavor that has been enjoyed for generations throughout Mediterranean and Latin American cuisines. They can be eaten as snacks, added to salads, ground into flour for baking, or incorporated into numerous traditional recipes. Few crops offer such an impressive combination of ornamental beauty, pollinator support, natural soil improvement, and extremely high protein production. While they require a little extra preparation after harvest, lupin beans reward gardeners with a crop that enhances biodiversity, restores soil fertility, and produces one of the most protein-rich plant foods available, making them an excellent long-term investment for both sustainable gardening and healthy nutrition. 4. Amaranth. Amaranth is one of the most versatile food crops a home gardener can cultivate because nearly every part of the plant is edible and highly nutritious. Instead of producing only a single type of harvest, it provides both leafy greens and protein-rich seeds, making it a complete food source in one remarkable plant. Although its tiny seeds may seem insignificant, they contain approximately 13 to 15% protein and are considered one of the most nutritious grain alternatives available for home gardens. One of amaranth's greatest nutritional advantages is its impressive amino acid profile, particularly its high lysine content, which is often lacking in traditional grains such as wheat and corn. In addition to protein, the seeds supply valuable amounts of iron, calcium, magnesium, dietary fiber, and naturally gluten-free carbohydrates. The leaves are equally beneficial, offering abundant vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and essential minerals while providing nutritional value comparable to or even greater than spinach. This dual-purpose nature allows gardeners to harvest fresh greens early in the season, while the plant continues developing large seed heads for a second harvest later in the year. Frequent leaf picking encourages even more foliage, extending the harvest period before the plant eventually shifts its energy toward producing thousands of tiny seeds. Amaranth also stands out because of its remarkable resilience. It thrives in hot weather, poor soils, dry climates, and intense summer sunshine where many leafy vegetables begin to struggle. Once established, it tolerates drought exceptionally well and often grows vigorously with very little maintenance. Sowing is simple, requiring only shallow planting after frost has passed and the soil has warmed. Because the seeds are extremely small, they need only a light covering of soil to germinate successfully. Full sunlight and proper spacing encourage strong growth, healthy airflow, and abundant seed production. Harvesting the mature seeds requires patience, as the seed heads must dry completely before being cut and gently shaken or rubbed to release the grains. Although each seed is tiny, even a few plants can produce surprisingly generous harvests. In the kitchen, amaranth is incredibly versatile. The seeds can be cooked as porridge, prepared like rice, popped similarly to popcorn, milled into flour, or added to soups and stews. while the nutritious leaves can be enjoyed fresh in salads or cooked like spinach in countless recipes. Perhaps most importantly, amaranth continues to perform reliably under challenging growing conditions and frequently reseeds itself, returning naturally year after year with very little effort from the gardener. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is unlike almost any other food crop because it combines outstanding nutrition with an impressive ability to thrive under challenging conditions. Although many people refer to it as a grain, quinoa is technically a seed crop, and this distinction helps explain many of its unique qualities. One of its most remarkable characteristics is its complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids required by the human body. With protein levels typically ranging between 14 and 18%, quinoa offers not only an impressive quantity of protein, but also exceptional nutritional quality. Adaptability is another reason it has become increasingly popular around the world. Originally cultivated in mountainous regions, quinoa has demonstrated the ability to flourish in poor soils, slightly salty ground, dry conditions, and low-input farming systems while still responding with vigorous growth when provided with moderate moisture, fertile soil, and plenty of sunshine. Visually, quinoa is also one of the most attractive edible plants a gardener can grow. Strong, upright stems support broad foliage before producing striking seed heads that may appear in shades of green, gold, red, pink, or deep purple depending on the variety. Behind this colorful display lies remarkable productivity, as each large seed head contains hundreds or even thousands of tiny seeds. Timing is important because quinoa performs best when established during cooler weather before extreme summer heat arrives. Excessive temperatures during early development may reduce seed production, so gardeners in warmer climates often achieve the best results by planting early enough to allow maturation before peak summer heat. Once established, however, quinoa becomes much more resilient and handles environmental stress better than many traditional grain crops. Harvesting requires allowing the seed heads to dry completely before processing, while naturally occurring saponins must be washed away before consumption. Although this adds an extra preparation step, these compounds help protect the crop from birds and pests during growth. Properly cleaned and dried quinoa stores exceptionally well for long periods, making it an excellent food reserve. Its mild, pleasantly nutty flavor allows it to be used in salads, soups, grain bowls, side dishes, and baked recipes, making quinoa one of the most versatile and nutritionally balanced crops available to home gardeners. Beyond its excellent harvest, quinoa demonstrates how beauty, resilience, and exceptional nutrition can all exist within a single remarkable plant. 6. Peas. Peas are among the most practical crops a gardener can grow because they combine rapid growth, reliable harvests, valuable nutrition, and natural soil improvement in one remarkably efficient plant. Fresh green peas already provide a respectable amount of plant protein, but when the seeds are allowed to mature and dry, their protein concentration increases significantly, creating a dense, long-lasting food source that stores exceptionally well. One of the reasons peas remain so popular is their speed of development. Planted in cool soil, they germinate quickly and immediately begin climbing upward by using delicate tendrils that attach naturally to nearby supports. This vertical growth habit allows peas to make excellent use of limited garden space while producing generous harvest without sprawling across the ground. Unlike many warm-season vegetables, peas perform best during cooler weather, allowing gardeners to enjoy harvests long before many summer crops begin producing. Their versatility also adds tremendous value because they can be harvested at several different stages. Young pods are delicious when eaten fresh, mature pods provide shelling peas, and fully dried seeds become nutritious pantry staples suitable for long-term storage. Like all legumes, peas improve soil fertility by working with beneficial bacteria that capture atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into nutrients future crops can use. In this way, peas not only feed the gardener but also prepare the soil for whatever follows. Successful cultivation is straightforward, requiring good drainage, consistent moisture, cool temperatures, and support for climbing vines. High temperatures remain their greatest challenge because excessive heat can reduce flowering and pod production, making early planting the key to maximizing harvests. Fresh peas provide immediate rewards during the growing season, while mature dried peas remain valuable food reserves for months afterward. Few crops combine quick production, nutritional value, soil improvement, efficient use of space, and dependable long-term storage as successfully as peas. 7. Moringa. Moringa is unlike almost any other edible plant because it combines extraordinary growth, outstanding nutritional value, and remarkable resilience in a single fast-growing tree. Often called the miracle tree, moringa earns this title through its ability to produce abundant edible material within a surprisingly short period. Given warm temperatures and favorable growing conditions, it can grow several feet during a single season, becoming one of the most productive plants in the garden far sooner than most fruit or nut trees. Its leaves are especially valuable because they contain unusually high levels of plant protein for a leafy vegetable, along with abundant vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, antioxidants, and numerous other important nutrients. Unlike many food crops that produce only one major harvest each year, moringa supplies edible leaves continuously, allowing gardeners to harvest fresh foliage on a regular basis. The leaves may be eaten fresh, cooked into soups and other dishes, dried for storage, or ground into a highly nutritious powder. The tree also produces long seed pods known as drumsticks, which are widely used in Asian and African cooking, while its flowers are edible and its seeds can be consumed or processed into oil. Few edible plants provide so many useful products from a single harvest. Another impressive characteristic is moringa's response to pruning. Heavy trimming often stimulates vigorous new growth, making it easy to maintain a compact size while encouraging constant leaf production. This renewable growth habit allows moringa to function almost like a continuously regenerating food source rather than a conventional tree. Once established, its deep roots provide excellent drought tolerance and allow it to thrive in poor soils where many other crops would struggle. Its primary limitation is sensitivity to cold weather, as frost can severely damage or kill the tree. For this reason, moringa performs best in tropical and subtropical climates or as a seasonal plant in cooler regions. Under suitable conditions, however, few edible species can rival its productivity, resilience, and continuous supply of highly nutritious leaves, flowers, pods, and seeds. 8. Lentils. Although lentils may not attract much attention in the garden, they remain one of the most practical, sustainable, and productive food crops available. Their modest appearance hides remarkable value. Growing as relatively low plants with slender stems and delicate foliage, lentils rarely dominate a garden visually, yet they consistently produce nutritious harvests while improving the soil at the same time. As members of the legume family, they naturally partner with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that capture atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into forms plants can use. This allows lentils to satisfy much of their own fertility needs while leaving the soil richer for future crops, making them particularly valuable in sustainable gardens and crop rotation systems. Another important advantage is their adaptability. Lentils often perform surprisingly well in relatively poor soils and dry environments, while overly rich soil can sometimes encourage excessive foliage at the expense of seed production. During the growing season, they produce small white, pale blue, or light purple flowers that eventually develop into pods containing 1 or 2 seeds each. Although individual pods produce only a few lentils, the plants compensate by forming large numbers of pods, resulting in satisfying harvests when grown in groups. As maturity approaches, the plants gradually dry and turn golden, signaling that harvest time has arrived. Entire plants are commonly cut and dried before the pods are processed to remove the seeds. Once properly dried, lentils become one of the longest-lasting foods available, storing for years without refrigeration or complicated preservation methods. Rich in protein, dietary fiber, essential minerals, and slow-release carbohydrates, they provide balanced nutrition and long-lasting energy. Their greatest strength lies in their remarkable balance of qualities. Lentils improve soil fertility, require relatively little maintenance, fit comfortably into small growing spaces, and consistently deliver dependable harvests year after year. While they may never be the most dramatic crop in the garden, they quietly demonstrate why they have remained one of humanity's most trusted and valuable food plants for thousands of years.